I'm trying not to touch my lips because I touched the bottom of the shoes, so mwah. Hello everyone! In today's video, I will be reviewing the Miu Miu brush leather penny loafers. I have worn these a few times now and I have some thoughts, so let's talk about them. Before we start today's video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button below, and follow me on social media for more content like this. I will add all of the links in the description box below. Other than that, let's get started. So recently I have been branching out beyond Gucci and Prada. I feel like a lot of the designer things I have in my closet are mostly Gucci and Prada. And this time I decided to dip my toes into the Miu Miu world. And that's how I ended up with these brushed leather penny loafers. And of course, I have worn them several times. But since this is a review, I want to take you through the full experience from packaging to performance. And so let's unbox these shoes and I'll give you my opinion. These are in size 39 and the price on their website right now is $1,170. That's a lot. Now, let's talk about the shoes themselves. Quiet! Class is in session. Do you want to know why they are called penny loafers? I know that there are other penny loafers out there, but this one has a penny slotted into the shoes. So just remember that's not where the name comes from. So back in 1950s, students would put a penny in the slot of their loafers as a small act of rebellion against school uniforms. And over time, this became a widely recognized trend and the term penny loafers stuck. So as someone who had to wear a school uniform growing up, I instantly felt a connection to these shoes, which is part of the reason why I got them. Why am I so fucking gay? Like, I need to stop doing that shit. Okay. First of all, let's talk about the structure and the fit. These shoes are very stiff and hold their shape very well, but they are not comfortable straight out of the box. The first time I wore them, they cut the back of my feet and I was low-key bleeding. To me, beauty is pain, so I'm willing to sacrifice myself for whatever that is. If you are someone who doesn't want to put yourself in that position, make sure to break into them a few hours or like at least a day before in order to avoid going through the same thing I went through. Okay, let's look at the quality and materials. The leather lining is detailed and well crafted. They feature a rubber sole and a leather insole, and they're gonna last for years. And here's a close-up of the coin detail in case you're curious. It is so cute. It has this vintage feel and look, and I know some of you are wondering if you can take the coin out. The answer is fuck no. They are glued onto the shoes, so you cannot take them out, and you know it's a part of the design, so I feel like if you take the coins out, and they would just lose their magic. These are definitely a classic. The style is so timeless that you can actually wear this with anything in your closet. You can wear them year-round and still look effortlessly stylish. And also the fact that they're in black too is so easy to style them. I know they have these in other colors. I know they have them in brown, which I almost got, and kind of like this brush faded gray. I think I might be wrong, but I decided to go with the classic black. Some things to consider. One thing I hate about leather loafers in general, not just these, is that over time they crease at the front. If you have OCD like me and love keeping your shoes in pristine condition, seeing a crease forming can be painful. That's the reason why whenever I order my shoes or get my shoes, I keep the original packaging just because I like to keep my shoes in their original form. But also, don't get me wrong, there are certain leather shoes, and I even have some of them that look even better as they age. It really depends on the shoe style and your personal preference. Another thing to know is that these loafers are very flat. Unlike some of my other loafers, they don't add any extra height. So if you are someone who wants to look taller with your shoes, these will not help you to get that look. Okay, so we're getting to the point where you guys are wondering if these are worth it. the answer is yes. If you appreciate designer shoes like me, then these are 100% worth it. The quality is amazing, and the timeless style means you get years of wear out of them. However, do you need these specific penny loafers from Miu Miu? Not necessary. If you're just looking for a solid pair of loafers and these are way over your budget, which makes sense, so expensive, there are plenty of other brands that make great alternatives, and they also call penny loafers. It's just that they don't have the penny inside the slot. So thank you for watching my review. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and follow me on social media for more fashion content. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! I'm trying not to touch my lips because I touched the bottom of the shoes, so mwah.